This protocol addresses the batch-to-batch reproducibility of sulfonated and amphiphilic gold nanoparticles that our laboratory uses in experiments with cells, viruses, and proteins. This technique addresses the inorganic contaminants common to this type of synthesis. It also introduces checks and balances after each step to ensure the reproducibility of the amphiphilic gold nanoparticles. This technique is laborious and requires patience. The level of difficulty depends on the scale, so start at a small scale and familiarize yourself with each instrument and step before scaling up.
First, add 11-bromo-1-undecene, sodium sulfite, and benzyl triethylammonium bromide to 200 ml of methanol and 450 ml of deionized water in a 1-liter round-bottom flask. Reflux the reaction mixture at 102 degrees Celsius for 48 hours until the solution becomes colorless. After workup, suspend the isolated white powder in 400 ml of methanol in a round-bottom flask. Using a filtering flask and borosilicate filter, filter the solution to remove the methanol-insoluble inorganic byproducts. Next, dissolve approximately 30 grams of sodium undectene sulfonate in 500 ml of methanol in a 1-liter round-bottom flask. Add 2.6 times excess of thioacetic acid to the solution and stir it in front of a 250-watt UV lamp overnight. Once the reaction is complete, evaporate the methanol completely. Dry the powder under vacuum, and then disperse it in diethyl ether. Filter the mixture and wash the solid product with diethyl ether to remove any excess thioacetic